Hello there. Today we unpack the intricate legal challenges facing Donald Trump as he prepares to return to White House. From criminal convictions to civil lawsuits, the former and soon to be the new president of United States legal entanglements are making history. What happens next? Will justice prevail or will the presidency shield Trump from these cases? Let's dive in.
So I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president.
Let's start with the criminal cases first. Donald Trump is facing a cascade of charges across jurisdictions. In New York, he was convicted for falsifying business records, a Class E felony, and now awaits sentencing. This case, led by DA Alvin Bragg, has sparked widespread attention and potential prison time remains on the table. In Georgia, Trump faces election interference charges. While this case has been marred by controversies, including allegations against the special prosecutor, it's still alive in court. At the federal level, Trump is charged with mishandling classified documents. Though initially dismissed on a technicality, the case is now under appeal, showcasing the complexities of presidential immunity. One of the pivotal debates revolves around presidential immunity. The Supreme Court recently ruled that former presidents are immune from prosecution for official acts. However, this doesn't extend to Trump's personal misconduct, such as the hush money payments to adult film actress Stormy Daniels. In a landmark ruling, New York Justice Juan Merchan clarified that Trump's actions concealing payments and falsifying business records were unofficial acts, making him ineligible for immunity. Despite his legal team's efforts to overturn the conviction, the ruling stands as of now. What happens when Trump takes the office again? Historically, sitting presidents are immune from prosecution, and Trump could use this shield to halt federal cases. Presidential pardons are another tool at his disposal, and legal experts believe the Supreme Court would likely uphold a self-pardon. However, state cases are trickier. Georgia's election interference case, the instance, falls outside the federal pardons and reach. Yet, even state cases could be paused under the principle of separation of powers, ensuring that the presidency remains unobstructed. Adding to the legal drama, a New York judge rejected Trump's claim of presidential immunity in the hush money case. As mentioned earlier, Justice Merchan ruled that payments to Stormy Daniels were personal and not official acts. The jury had earlier found Trump guilty of 34 felonies in the case, and Judge Merchan deemed overwhelming evidence enough to uphold the conviction. Trump's spokesperson slammed the decision as unconstitutional, labeling it as part of a broader witch hunt. Meanwhile, the public remains divided on whether these legal battles are politically motivated. The broader question remains, are these cases about justice or political vengeance? Critics argue that Trump has been targeted in Democratic strongholds, fueling perceptions of bias. Trump himself has vowed retaliation against his political opponents, raising concerns about escalating partisanship. Donald Trump's legal saga is far from over. His presidency may shield him from some cases, but others could shape the narrative of his second term. As history unfolds, these battles will leave an indelible mark on the American politics. Stay with us for the latest updates. For now, this is Pankaj Mishra signing off.
Don't miss out. Log on to oneindia.com for more updates.